Hello there and welcome back. It feels great to be back for more exciting discoveries. Before we dive into today's video, remember to hit the subscribe button and press the like button. Today features an interesting episode exposing us to the breathtaking luxury of living in the penthouses high in the sky. Living in a penthouse apartment is the ultimate symbol of luxury and status. Perched atop high-rise towers with jaw-dropping views, penthouses represent the ultimate in upscale living. However, these opulent residences come with unique considerations. Here are some of the major pros and cons of living in a luxury penthouse. The prime benefit of living in a penthouse is the unbeatable views. Penthouses provide panoramic windows displaying sweeping scenes of the city, mountains, ocean, or all three. You are essentially raised above the fray to take in the big picture. The light and vistas open up penthouse residences, making them feel spacious and grand. On the other side, very high floors can mean delays in elevator access. Waiting for an elevator during busy times can be a daily frustration in tall buildings. Penthouses have access to fewer elevators and often share with multiple other units, increasing delays. If you have limited mobility or small children, this issue may be dreadful. Not only are the views unobstructed from a penthouse, but the privacy level is also elevated. Fewer neighbors means less noise pollution, more peace and quiet. Your nearest neighbor may be living stories below. The enhanced privacy and sense of isolation grants penthouse dwellers a feeling of exclusivity and luxury. However, living in the penthouse does mean being at the top of the building, literally and figuratively. You will experience more swaying during high winds and feel more impact from vibrations caused by construction or excessive noise from below. Penthouse residents also incur extra maintenance fees to cover elevator and roof expenses. Penthouses tend to have higher ceilings and more open floor plans, allowing you to maximize the space in a truly dramatic fashion. Large entertaining areas, wine rooms, and home offices are common features. Top floors also usually have the largest footprints and square footage of any unit in the building. Additional square footage means additional expenses. Penthouse utilities can be 30 to 50% higher due to the extra space and long vertical runs for water, sewer, and electrical lines. Property taxes and insurance premiums are also likely to be higher. Maintenance costs are usually the responsibility of the penthouse owner. Luxury penthouse designs push the limits with cutting-edge architecture, fixtures, and finishes. They feature superior build quality and materials. Extended balconies allow you to access panoramic views from an outdoor lounge area for al fresco dining. Many include private swimming pools, gyms, media rooms, and more amenities that are exclusive. All this opulence is costly, especially with the limited availability of penthouses in popular areas. Prices are often double or triple that of units several stories below. Finding a penthouse rental is even more of a challenge. Additional fees include security and concierge costs to match an exclusive lifestyle. You will definitely pay high for that penthouse view. So could you really live that high in the sky? For those who value the unparalleled privacy, status, and expansive views of a penthouse over other considerations, the answer is an emphatic yes. However, price tags in the multi-millions ensure that luxury penthouses remain out of reach for most city dwellers, and for those who can afford that penthouse life, the rewards may be worth climbing to new heights. Some of the most luxurious penthouses in the world include the Fair Tower in Bangkok. This $30 million penthouse spans 3 floors and 17,000 square feet, making it one of the largest residential penthouses in the world. It has a glass-bottom pool, private gym, sauna, steam room, spa, and amazing city views. La Palais Royale, Monaco. With prices up to $400 million, the penthouses at this complex are some of the priciest in the world. They feature gold-plated fixtures, marble floors, private elevators, bulletproof windows, and multiple infinity pools overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Central Park Tower, New York City. The penthouse here was sold for $238 million in 2019, setting a new record for the highest home sale in U.S. history. It spans the 77th to 79th floors and offers 360-degree views of Central Park and the Manhattan skyline. 432 Park Avenue, New York City. The $95 million penthouse has 5 bedrooms, 11 bathrooms, and an elevator that opens directly into the 4-story residence. It features Italian marble floors, custom finishes, and 2 terraces overlooking the city. Among Tokyo Residences, Japan. The $60 million penthouse has 5 bedrooms, a private garden, a library, and a wine vault. Residents have access to a spa, fitness center, and fine dining as part of the Imlan Hotel. 1 Hyde Park, London. With prices up to $250 million, these luxury penthouses have extreme amenities like private pools and gold-plated bathrooms. They offer private access to a communal garden and concierge services at this exclusive residential complex. Yes, the world's most luxurious penthouses offer the ultimate in ultra-modern design, breathtaking views, lavish amenities, exclusive services, and stratospheric prices to match. They represent an unattainable dream lifestyle for most, symbolic of the lofty heights that money can buy. What about the unique features found in the world's most luxurious penthouses? Let us have a look at some of them. Private indoor pools. Many of the top penthouses have their own private indoor swimming pools, some with glass floors or walls to take advantage of the views. Infinity pools. Many penthouses have infinity pools on the terraces that offer seemingly endless views of the surrounding cityscape or natural scenery. Home theaters and media rooms. Luxury penthouses often have their own private home theaters or media rooms for enjoying movies and entertainment in ultimate comfort. Private spas and wellness centers. Some penthouses incorporate full spas with saunas, steam rooms, plunge rooms, and massage rooms as part of the residence. Sky gardens and terraces. Many penthouses feature massive terraces, rooftop gardens, and outdoor spaces that take advantage of their lofty heights and breathtaking views. Glass floors and walls. Some penthouse designers incorporate glass floors and walls to maximize the dramatic views and bring the outdoors in. Private elevator access. Many luxury penthouses have their own private elevators that bypass the main building elevators for exclusivity and enhanced security. Goji kitchens. High-end custom chef's kitchens featuring Goji kit designs with premium appliances, exclusive cabinetry, and luxury finishes have become standard in these residences. Bulletproof windows. Security is always a concern for penthouse dwellers, so features like bullet and blast-resistant windows have become common in some of the world's most expensive units. There is no definitive average cost for a luxury penthouse with exclusive services. Prices vary widely based on location, size, amenities, and level of service offered. You should know that luxury penthouse properties themselves could range from around $5 to $10 million up to $100 million or more, depending on location, square footage, and features. This covers a massive spectrum. What about HOA fees? Homeowners Association fees for exclusive penthouse services like concierge, valet, security, etc. can start around $50,000 per year and exceed $100,000 or more for the most extravagant penthouses. Full-time staff like chefs, housekeepers, nannies, etc. can easily cost $150,000 to $300,000 per year or more, depending on the number of employees and hours availability required. Due to their expansive layouts and long runs for systems, penthouse utility bills for electricity, water, etc. are often 30 to 50% higher than typical residences of the same square footage. Penthouse owners are typically responsible for the maintenance of significant common elements like elevators and rooftop areas, adding substantial unplanned cost. As you can see, all of these major expense categories vary widely and depend greatly on an individual penthouse's specific situation. Overall annual cost for a luxury penthouse with comprehensive services tend to start well above $1 million and can easily exceed $5 to $10 million or more in extreme cases. There isn't one single average cost that applies since the market consists of properties spanning such a broad range in terms of size, location, level of service, and more. However, this overview should provide some useful context and parameters to frame luxury penthouse cost in general. So why not explore the incredible experience of living that high in the sky if you can? Please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. See you next time.